Straight from the heart. Straight from the heart. Give me a heart, give me a soul, give me a mind, give me a love, I want it all. Give me a pain, I'll give patience every day, whatever it takes, I do it all. And ooh, I'll be saving it all for you. I believe in it when it's true. Girl, I want it so loud. Say it like you mean it. And ooh, I'll be shouting it from the roof. Got me feeling something brand new. It was you from the start. It's coming straight from the heart. There's nothing that can beat us together. Ain't no one that can keep us apart. This love that we have got is forever. It's true and it comes straight from the heart. Straight from the heart. Can't keep us apart. Something so big, bigger than us. Made out of trust. Baby, we got something so real. Something so strong, holding it up, pushing the sun. Tell me I'm wrong, that's how I feel. Yeah. And ooh, I'll be saving it all for you. I believe in it when it's true. Girl, I want it so loud. Say it like you mean it. And ooh, I'll be shouting it from the roof. Got me feeling something brand new. It was you from the start. It's coming straight from the heart. There's nothing that can beat us together. Ain't no one that can keep us apart. This love that we have got is forever. It's true and it comes straight from the heart. Straight from the heart. Can't keep us apart. I'll be right here to catch you if you fall. There's no need to doubt when we are together. And I knew right from the start that I would give my heart to you. Don't you worry, 'cause I will be right by your side. Yes, I will be there. I will be there. Some words that we share. I will be there. I will be there. Show baby, baby, baby. Show baby, baby. Show baby, baby, baby. Show baby, show baby, baby, baby. Show me there. Show baby, baby, baby. Show baby.
Let's learn It's choreographed by Liz Atkinson. Is a 32 count 4-wall absolute beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts before going around and doing 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows and you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a grapevine to the right, step your right foot to the side, left foot behind, right side, touch left next to right. We're now going to do a left rocking chair. So we're going to rock forward with our left foot, recover back onto your right, step your left foot back, rocking back, recover forward onto your right foot. Let's try it with some counts. Grapevine to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do a grapevine to the left, step our left foot to the side, right behind, left side, touch right next to left. We're now going to do a right rocking chair, step our right foot forward, rocking forward, recovering back onto your left, step your right foot back, rocking back, recover forward on your left. Let's try it with some counts. Grapevine to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to step our right foot forward into the right diagonal, touch your left toe next to your right. You're now going to point your left toe to the left side and touch your left next to your right. We're now going to repeat that, stepping our left foot forward into the left diagonal, touch your right next to your left, point your right toe to the right side, touch your right next to your left. Let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left foot, you're stepping your right foot forward into the diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to step back with our right and we're going to touch our left next to our right. Step back with your left, touch your right next to your left. Step back with your right, touch your left next to your right. And now we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping our left foot to the left side and touch our right next to our left. You'll end facing 9 o'clock, ready to start the dance all over again. So let's try that last part with some counts. Stepping back with the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. End of dance. So now let's face the front wall. We're going to do it all the way through, one time with steps and one time with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your grapevine to the right. Grapevine side, behind side touch, left rocking chair forward and back. Grapevine to the left side, behind side touch, right rocking chair forward and back. Step right, step, touch, point out, in, step, touch, point out, in, back touch, back touch, back touch, quarter turn to the left with a touch. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're stepping your right foot to the side to your grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now we're going to go all the way around. We're going to do 4 walls of the dance. We're going to alternate between steps and counts. So on the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we will do counts. Weight's going to start on your left foot. You're starting with your grapevine to the right. Grapevine right side, behind side touch, left rocking chair forward and back. Grapevine to the left, right rocking chair forward and back. Step right, right, touch, point out, in, left, touch, point out, in, back touch, back touch, quarter turn with a touch, grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Grapevine side, behind side touch, rocking chair with the left. Grapevine to the left, right rocking chair. Step right, touch left, point out in. Step left, touch right, point out in. Back touch with the right and the left. Now the right, quarter turn to the left, grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. You don't have to worry about any tags or restarts or anything extra. You can just dance the dance. So I hope this helped you learn. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.